G'day, it's Craig Jones here from White Magic, here to introduce the brand new White Magic sweeper set. At White Magic we're famous for reinventing and improving existing products that have been around since day dot but aren't quite doing the job. Things like the eraser sponge, the spin mop, the eye hook, and now the sweeper set. So you would have seen the dustpan and broom probably in your home or at a friend's home. You pick up your dustpan and you pick up your broom and you sweep two. You're bending your back and you constantly have to move the dustpan to where the broom is to sweep into. What we've done is we've reinvented it and improved it. Let me show you from the beginning of the handle. So we've taken a 90cm handle and we've put a telescopic function into it. So now it can be telescopic out to 1.5 meters. So that means even for the tallest person, you can now sweep standing up, which is great because you keep your back nice and straight, there's no bending, and you can sweep straight to the dustpan. On the handle we've got a storage toggle here which moves around, so it allows you to store it on a peg in your cupboard. You've got a top grip here and a second grip here for easy holding. You've got a lightweight aluminium pole which, as I said, extends all the way from 90cm out to 1.5 and anywhere in between. You just simply turn it to straighten it to the right length. Now, going down to the brush head. So this brush head has some very unique functions. First, for our indoor head, we use a material called PET. It's a special, super durable, but very fine, non-scratching material, which is great for indoor dust and dander. We have 70 groups of bristles here. Inside each group, there are 50 bristles. But at the end of each bristle, we've actually made them split. So there's at least 2 or 3 end hairs on each bristle. So 70 times 50 times 2, you've at least got 7,000 little fingers. It could be up to 10,000 depending on how many times they're split. Little fingers which are great for sweeping up fine particles like dust and pet hair or anything like that. You've also got a 30-degree taper. The 30-degree taper means when you're sweeping up to a wall or a skirting board or a cupboard, it eliminates the possibility of hitting the wall because your bristles are here and the actual hard part of the brush is back here. So you won't hit the wall. However, if you do get a bit aggressive and get a bit too close for comfort, there's a bumper guard just here, which means that if you do impact, you won't scratch the paintwork. On the other side, you've got a scuff mark eraser. So for the scuff mark, you simply turn it over and you rub it on the floor like so to get rid of stubborn marks. Now here you have some holes. The reason you have holes here is for a very unique function. You simply take that off, and in here you can put some fragrance. So if you like eucalyptus oil, you like orange oil, you like tea tree oil, put a dollop of that in there, close it up like so, and that will then diffuse through these holes to leave a nice smell throughout the house while you're sweeping. However, here you also have a comb. So if you get things stuck in the bristles, you simply take the comb like so to remove said debris. So some very unique functions built into this head, and that clips on like so. Now, another very unique function is the ability to remove the head. The head can be removed, and here you've actually got a hand holder section like so. So you can use it by the hand to sweep up. And a little bit later I'll show you can actually remove the dustpan as well to go hand to hand in small spaces. But the other reason you can remove it is because this is the indoor head. So if you've got an indoor head, you've got to have an outdoor head. So the outdoor head is just over here. The outdoor head is made from nylon bristles. Nylon bristles are stronger, more durable, and great for doing outdoor jobs like leaves, twigs, any type of bulky, heavier things. These bristles will sweep up. You've got 70 bunches. Inside each bunch, you've got 40 hairs. These aren't split, so this is basically 2,800 bristles for getting those bulkier items for the outdoor use. Again, you've got all the same functions: 30-degree taper, bumper guard, scuff mark eraser, comb and diffuser section. And this goes onto the handle like so. You just press button till you hear the click and it's attached. So, I'm sure you agree that's the most whiz-bang broom you've ever seen, but let me introduce you to the most whiz-bang dustpan you've ever seen. So, first of all, you've got here a 25cm opening, which is nice and large to sweep into. You've got a rubber lip that contours perfectly to the ground, because if you see here, it actually goes down and it makes contact. So as long as your floor is smooth, this will make perfect contact with the floor and all debris will be swept into the dustpan. Now, just like the handle, we've got a light, just like the broom, we've got a lightweight aluminium telescopic handle on the dustpan. Now, it goes from 70 centimetres all the way up to 1 metre. So, in my world, the best place to have the dustpan is around about your hip. So, depending on your height, you can again make it telescopic down to the correct spot, and it makes it easier for moving. But remember, this is a freestanding dustpan, so you don't have to keep moving it. You sweep to the dustpan. You don't have to move it. It will basically be there. You sweep to it, everything goes in, and then you get rid of the rubbish. Now, some other unique functions of the dustpan are these teeth. So down here you have 2 rows of teeth. Now these teeth are designed for cleaning the bristles during use. If you don't want to get the comb out, all you do is you rub the bristles over these teeth and they help to dislodge dirt, pet hair and things like so. Now, another unique function is the storage angle, or the storage and getting rid of the rubbish angle. On the back here, you have 2 buttons. The bigger button, just here, is for opening the dustpan. So when you finished, you filled it all up with dirt and whatnot, you simply take it to the rubbish bin and you press that button. It then opens the dustpan and all the dirt falls out, which is great. So you don't have to manipulate it into an angle to get rid of the dirt, it all falls out. And it then clips back when you want to use it. But the other unique aspect of it opening is storage. So the storage position of this, for the easiest and most compact storage, is like so. All you do is open the dustpan, put the handle back to its smallest position, put it into the dustpan, and then just here you have a clip tag that connects the handle to the dustpan. Click into position and you now have the most compact dustpan and broom for storage purposes on the market. This will go into any cupboard. If you're a caravaner, if you've got a small apartment, this takes up little or no space. So it's a great angle for storage. One final aspect to the dustpan that I haven't shown you is the ability to remove the dustpan from the handle. So remember, we had 2 buttons at the back. One was for opening. The grey one here is for removing. So you can now remove the dustpan. To use it by the hand, we get our other one like so, and we now have a handheld brush and a handheld dustpan to sweep around the car, in those really compact places where you don't need long handles, you just need to get the job done like so. So, thank you very much for watching. This has been the White Magic sweeper set. I'm sure you agree it is the most innovative and the best way to pick up dirt all around the home. And if you have any questions, we'd love to hear them. info@whitemagic.biz, or give us a call on 1300 306 380. Thanks for watching.